This conference will now be recorded.
Hello. In my previous video, I already explained how to install Python and how to run a sample Hello World program. Okay. Now I'm explaining about very few important libraries. How to install libraries first. The main reason, for example, in Spark SQL, Spark Streaming, these type of libraries available. Similarly, in Python also, different type of libraries available like Pandas, NumPy. These libraries most frequently you are using in Python and machine learning most frequently. Why? Especially to clean the data. Clean. For example, any unstructured data, semi-structured, any unnecessary data. I want everything clean the data. At the time you are using these Pandas or NumPy. Most frequently you are using. At the time, how to install these uh, libraries I will explain right now. Okay, NumPy is very powerful. One more. If you want to install these, especially there is one more thing that's called 1 minute CMD PIP. PIP is nothing but one important, very important. It's package. It's very important. That's also very important. Okay, how to install pip? Pip is nothing but a small utility to install any type of packages. Okay, now just a minute. Pip already installed. Okay, that's why it is you are getting that issue. If not installed at the time, what should do? Pip download. Okay, Google it. Now you will get like this. Okay, pip. Okay, just enter that one. If you already installed pip, then what should you do? Just a minute. Pip download. Okay, just follow this documentation. Otherwise, okay, just a minute. Now, how to install NumPy and Panda? If you want to install that one, it's already by default available in 3.x. In 2.x, if not installed, now what should do? Now, simply just download this one and set up Py. That's it. Automatically it's installed. It's not take more than 2 minutes. Okay. Now I'm explaining how to install NumPy. Simple. If you want to know, 1 minute. Python. If you are now you are in Python. Now NumPy by default is not available. NumPy or Pandas. How to install Pandas? Okay, I will explain that. Simple. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Now, how to install Pandas? Simply pip install Pandas. That's it. Pandas is nothing but in R there is a data frame concept. Otherwise, in Spark SQL library, in that Spark SQL library, you are using data frames API. Same way, this is also Pandas, almost like a data frame. It is created to process clearly. Okay, this is it take little time. Starting time is take little time. It take and NumPy also same. NumPy also same. Just pip install NumPy. That's it. If you want any documentation, 1 minute. Pip install. Just a minute. Okay, simply Just for, if you Google it, you will get a mini documentation. 1 minute. Based on your internet speed, is take little time. Please same pip install pandas. That's it. Okay. Then automatically install all softwares. You can use like this also. Okay. Okay. Please wait. It take little time. If pip installed, then what's now installing pip? It's downloading different type of dependencies from internet. That means pandas. Please wait. And if you want to install from file, just a minute. Get pip file. Within this time, I will help you how to install pip manually. Within this time, I think it takes little time. The main reason it is downloading different type of dependencies from internet. Okay, within this time, I will help you how to install pip. Okay, just this is that link. You will get this link from my YouTube description. Okay, now simple. Just select all, control all. See, save this in any notepad plus plus or notepad, then save. How to, I am explaining how to install pip. Okay, save. Save with the name of pip get pip file. That's it. Save anyway. For example, desktop. Save this data with the name of Python. Okay, that's it. Okay, it is in the desktop. Okay, now if you want to install pip simple, okay, go to desktop. Oh, 1 minute. Recent files. Okay, this is pip. Just double click that. Just double click. That's it. Pip automatically install. Now it is okay. After pip installation, then please install like this. Pip install pandas automatically download data messages from internet. It takes little time. Okay, based on your internet speed and etc. etc. Now after download this file, go to desktop something pip dot. That's it. Right click here and run. That's open. That's it. If you open, automatically pip automatically install. I already installed pip, so no need this one. Okay. So please wait. Now it takes a little time. Temporarily holding this video. After complete this one, I will show. Within this time, I will install same pandas how to install in IntelliJ. Sorry, Python. Go to file. Go to file. If you are entered, first of all, pandas installed or not? How to check? In 1 minute. Import pandas. You will get errors. Okay. Import pandas. If you will get error. Okay. That's why if you want to install pandas, then what should you do? If you want to install, then go to file. Here settings available. Okay, settings. Now go to somewhere. Sorry. Project interpreter. Okay, project interpreter. Now nothing. There is no any special thing. Okay, I think you are using latest version 3.0. Now if pip already installed by default. Okay, so click on plus. Here n number of libraries available. Let example pandas. Okay, pandas. Just double click, then install this package. If you want to practice n number of pandas, okay, I recommend just to follow this one. It's one of the best documentation to learn pandas. Import pandas as pd. Okay, earlier you got it. Import panda, if you are enter, you are getting something error. If you install this one, then it's working fine. Now it's downloading from internet. This take little time, please wait. If you're stuck anywhere, please just enter. If you get any pop-up box, if you wait, okay, enter. Okay, fine. If IntelliJ, if PyCharm if installed, then here this one successfully installed. Here it is showing browsing that downloading from internet. It takes little time. Now pandas installing collected packages NumPy automatically installed. The main reason, in simple word, it is associated packages. That means if you pandas most frequently use NumPy and others by automatically install. In case if it's not available at the time, install manually. Okay, that's why installing collected packages. 6 pandas, Python, datitil, NumPy, PyTab, etc. Different type of packages automatically install. Please wait. Let's take a while. Successfully installed NumPy 15. This version sound good. It is in your local computer. It is in here backend. It is in Python.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now after approximately 5 to 10 minutes, it is successfully installed. This one. Okay, NumPy. If you want to know, okay, still one more. If you want to install NumPy also, simply enter like this: pip install NumPy. But unfortunately, it's already installed. It is showing NumPy 15 already installed. Okay, already installed. That's why no need. Okay, if you now this one, this is if you are getting like this means if you want to upgrade pip latest version at that time, this may be useful. Okay, now come to the point. This is now Pandas installed in your system in local computer. Similarly, here it is showing Pandas successfully installed. Okay, similarly, if you want to install NumPy in PyCharm, this is NumPy install package. Okay, install in PyCharm, not in your local computer. Okay, now come to the point. Now just now you installed NumPy and Pandas. How to verify is it working or not? Simply enter Python. Is it installed or not? How to verify? Simply import Pandas. If you are working means 100% pandas working. Yes. Similarly, NumPy installed or not? Simply import NumPy. Oh, sorry, it is okay without any space. Okay, import NumPy. Yes, that's also working. Okay. Similarly, test in IntelliJ, it is showing NumPy also installed right now. Okay. Now simply, if you want to install anything, just search here. Automatically, you will get that one. Now, these packages installed NumPy 6 and Pandas. This one. Everything installed. Now, if you want to test, is it working? Is it installed or not? Simply enter. Okay. Simple. If you are using NumPy as NumPy NP means if you are not getting any reddish color means it's working. Similarly, pandas, if there is no any reddish color means that sound good, working. So if it is indexed means then you can do it your operations like that. You have more information if you want to practice like pandas. Simple. Series is nothing but one-dimensional array. Okay, and two-dimensional array is nothing but data frame. Okay. Now if you want to practice anything you can do it. If anybody interested, please practice this documentation. And if you want to practice pandas a sample program, just a minute, I will explain sample data. Okay. Data is equal, take any data. For example, using panda, I'll show you a sample program. Okay. Temporarily, just a minute. Name, age, city. 32 city ID. Jyoti 38, DLR Subbu 56, OGL Anu 55, OGL. For example, this is a sample data testing purpose. Save anywhere. For example, family.csv. It is on the desktop. Now family. Yes. Okay. Copy. Just a minute. This is here. Okay. Copy. Okay. Family. This is that part control all. Okay. I want to practice this data. Simple. This is the data. In case if you are using Windows, this is highly recommendable. Use double slashes. Okay. Then I want to process this data. Then what should I do? df is equal ps dot read controls 1 minute. If it is indexing, then you will get that one. Okay. Read CSV. Then data. That's it. Data frame created. If you want to process this data, df dot 1 minute. Okay. Print df. This is no need commenting that video, commenting that, and now right click and run this program. Now This is called data frame. Data frame, is it working or not? Simply, it is creating that one. Name a city. Okay, I want to process 1 minute. Ris is equal to 1 minute. Ris is equal df dot. I want to apply something, programs, anything. Let example, select age, like that. If you want to apply anything, otherwise city equal to OGL, 1 minute. OGL, it's working. Select or group by or different functions, methods available. If I want to explain everything, sorry, it is something typo mistake, I think, syntactical mistake. Okay, if you want to know, okay, in Spark you are using RIS. Just a minute, if it is indexing, then this problem solved. And the same thing you can do it in our local computer also. What you did in our this one, anything you can do it. By the way, sorry, you already imported. That's why that's not a problem. You can copy and paste. Copy. Yes, that's it. If you want to process this data, okay, after read this data, I want to do it a number of, if you want any examples, this one, many examples available. Data frame, this one, let example, columns, values. Okay, this is nothing but data frame only. Data frame head means you will get top 5 records. If you want to know, df dot head, df dot tail, that is head, this is tail. Similarly, many indexes and columns. Let example, what are the columns available? Df dot. Okay, these columns available. Data type, it is object. Okay, like that. If you want to know, please practice this. This is one of the best documentation to create data frames. This is also one easiest way. In Spark, there is a collection, dot sc dot text file parallelize. How you are using parallelize, same way. This is also okay, like that. Data types are if you enter tab, automatically it's suggesting. It is one of the best thing. For example, df dot tab. If you tab, no, it's not suggesting. Df automatically is suggesting all, apply, append, etc, etc, etc. Okay, you can easily process this data. I think this is a useful documentation. I highly recommend just to follow this documentation for more information. Okay, now data frame. For example, I want to process this one. Location is this one between these age. That's also automatically it's understand. Not like Spark. In Spark, little bit. 1 minute. Df. This is df. Df dot city. If you want this one. Not like that. 1 minute. This is, if you want to use like this also, you can. Numbers like this, exactly. Starting position to this one. If you want like this, you can. Okay, if you want to know, just to follow this documentation, I think it is very useful. Okay, uh, and in my next video, I will explain more information about these pandas and the different type of that one. Okay, fine, that's it. If you have any comments, any doubts, please comment below. I will try my best to answer. Thank you.